Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I do a guy's makeup. So I'm going to show you step by step of what I do to achieve this look. The first thing that I want to do is, well, step into the shower, clean myself up, shave if I need to, clean my face, exfoliate. That is a must, exfoliate. Not every day, of course, but I would say like at least twice a week. Make sure you rub it, all that dead skin, and so that your face can be nice and clean and free of blemishes. So anyways, let me show you what I am using. This is a face mask that I like to use. This was actually recommended by a friend. They're super cheap. You can find them. I got them from eBay. I think it was like 32 of them for like a very reasonable price. So the one that I'm using is it's a Milk. It's Collagen Essence Mask. So let me pop this in, and it's recommended to wear it for 15, I think it's like 15 or to 20 minutes. But I like to leave it on way longer than that. Okay, so it says to massage it all over. And even though it says to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, I like to leave it for like 40, 45. And I like to use all the serum, even the one that's inside the package. Put it in my hand. And put it all over my neck, my ears, just everywhere. Use every drop. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. It's been about 45 minutes. I let it dry. I let the serum dry on my face. After that, what I did is I apply my moisturizer. One thing that I want to mention about moisturizer, make sure you test the moisturizer, because I happened to buy this moisturizer that I thought was great because it's for oily skin, which I have. And it's got seaweed in it. It turns out I was allergic to it. It's breaking out like crazy. So, you know, test your moisturizer, make sure it's something that it's good for you and your skin. Anyways, back to the makeup. Okay, so now I'm going to apply my foundation. What I do is I mix my foundation with a moisturizer and a primer. This is the one that I like. It's Victoria Beckham. It's a little bit pricey, but it's worth it. It's got this pearl essence, I believe, which gives you like a glow to your skin. So I just put on my hand, put just a pump of it, small one. And then I don't really use a lot of foundation if I'm going out or anywhere, actually. That's how much I use, just. And so there you have it. Now I'm gonna mix the two with my finger. Mix it real well. And I'm gonna apply it in just dots all over my face. The nose, the chin, the forehead, just everywhere. And I don't waste anything. And just buff it all in. the next step is apply a little bit of concealer with my finger under the eyes, under the brows, just around the nose because I have a little bit of redness, the corners of the lips, a little bit on the bridge of the nose. Okay, blend it. All right, so next I'm gonna fill in my brows because I'm missing a lot of hairs, and that happens when you're younger and you're over tweeze them. I lost a lot of hairs, so now I have to fill them in with a pencil and powder. Very, very lightly. Try to mimic those hairs that are missing, of course. See, it's not too much, but it sure does make a difference when you fill them in. Okay, next, by the way, the pencil that I use is this one, but you can use, you know, any pencil that you wish for brows. That was the concealer, and now I'm going with the powder. And again, very lightly. Trying to make it look as real and natural as possible. Well, at least I am. Okay, brows are done. Next step is we're gonna give the face a little bit of color. So kind of like sun-kissed glow. A little bit on the nose, the tip mostly. Chin. Put a little bit on the ears. Trying to make this as believable as possible. Okay, so if I were to like go out during the day, I would probably stop there, maybe curl the lashes, which I'll do. when you're curling the lashes, it's not just like you stop there. You start from like all the way in, and then you work yourself out, if that makes sense. All the way to the tips. So it looks like a curl. It's not just like an L. So roots all the way out. If I were to put just a little bit of lip balm, that would be a day look. Night too, but I'm gonna take it a bit further for the night. So I like to put just a little bit of color on my lips. So very, very lightly. I put it on the edges. I'm gonna put a little bit of bronzer. This is a neutral bronzer. It's mostly to give it glow. It doesn't necessarily have color. If you choose to do color, then that's up to you. So I put it there. This lip balm has a little bit of a tint to it. I'm just gonna put it on the center. Another thing that I forgot, I probably should have done this at the beginning, but is to apply some eye drops to your eyes. It makes a whole world of a difference. Bit of mascara. Mostly on the tips. Just so that my lashes really show. Okay. Then with my finger, remove all the excess. Okay, a little bit of gloss. A little bit of powder. Just on the T-zone, which is the forehead, along the nose, a little bit on the chin, and the sides of the mouth. Okay, fix my hair. And there you have it. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and follow me on social media. Thank you guys so much, and hope to see you on the next video. Bye.